Hello, this is Junhua from TCM Explained. Last time we covered wind cold, wind heat, and summer heat dampness. Now we are on part 2 of the common cold. In this video, we are going to talk about 3 patterns of common cold accompanied by deficiency. Our first pattern is Qi deficiency common cold. Here we are referring to the lung and spleen Qi deficiency, where patients have a tendency to catch a cold often. Along with the basic signs and symptoms of the common cold, there will be more pronounced signs and symptoms of Qi deficiency. For this case, we have to release the exterior and tonify Qi. Weak spleen will produce phlegm damp, and they are going to be collected in the lungs as a white sputum. So we are tonifying Qi, but at the same time, we also need to transform phlegm. We can consider Shen Su Yin. Zi Su Ye and Ge Gen release the exterior. Zi Su Ye also transforms phlegm and stops coughing. Ren Shen, Sheng Jiang, Da Zao, and Gan Cao tonify the lungs and spleen. Ban Xia, Chan Pi, and Fu Ling with Gan Cao. This is a well-known formula that transforms phlegm. Qian Hu and Jie Geng also transform phlegm. Mu Xiang and Zhi Ke move Qi and awaken the spleen. They are added to balance our tonifying herbs and prevent stagnation. Next, we have Yin deficiency. In addition to common cold signs and symptoms, there will be Yin deficiency signs. We can consider Jia Jian Wei Rui Tang. The key herb for Yin deficiency wind heat pattern is Yu Zu. This herb is specifically indicated for this pattern because it can nourish yin without causing stagnation. Bai Wei and Bo He clear heat. Bai Wei is used for clearing yin deficiency heat, while Bo He dispels wind heat and clears the head and sense organs. Chong Bai and Dan Dou Zhi assist Bo He in releasing the exterior. This pair is also used in blood-deficient patients with common cold. Their action is mild, so they do not induce profuse sweat, preventing from damaging yin fluids and blood. Jie Geng transforms phlegm and stops coughing. Da Zao and Zhi Gan Cao tonify deficiency. Our last pattern is Yang deficiency. Compared to a normal wind-cold pattern, the patient will manifest a stronger sensation of cold and body ache. Pale swollen tongue is a typical tongue sign for the Yang Qi deficiency because the Yang Qi cannot warm and transform fluids, leading to cold and stagnation. Pulse is going to be deep. The expected pulse for the exterior invasion is a floating pulse, but since we have Yang Qi deficiency, our body is lacking power to push out the pathogens, and it is reflected as a deep pulse. Here we have Ma Huang Fu Zi Xi Xin Tang. Ma Huang strongly opens the pores and releases the exterior. Fu Zi tonifies the kidney yang, the source of all yang in our body. With Xi Xin, it also disperses cold and warms the channel, treating body aches. So we are finished with the common cold. In the next video, we are going to see how TCM treats coughs.